Hello, everybody. We have a message for you today. COVID-19 has taken over the world, and it's very frustrating. And I know we all share the disappointment. We've had 3 teams canceled this summer: the SNU Sims team, the BFC Living Word Go team, the Montrose Go team. And people have been planning, sometimes for years, to go to Eswatini this year. And so all those hopes and plans are really, in some cases, destroyed. But we had this idea. Mm-hmm. We believe that often disappointment gives an opportunity for redemption. And so we'd like to visit with you about that kind of an opportunity. All of you have raised your own money, or somebody has contributed for you, so the money has been set aside and planned for you to come this summer. So the work in Eswatini continues whether we have teams there or not. We have 2 orphanages that are being built right now, 2 preschools that are being built right now. We have 4 churches that are in their final stages of being built right now. Now, all of those are already fully funded, so it's just a matter of completing the work. But we have 2, what we call big rocks, that are still in need of funding. One has to do with our RFM hospital.
The operating theater there has been condemned, and they're trying to get it back so they can use it, but the longer it waits, the more people that are suffering. So it would be wonderful if we could help get that completed.
That work is ongoing. We're calling it a crisis, but it's still not funded. The other one is Haven of Hope. Most of you know that the last 2 years an emphasis has been to reach out and come to the aid of women and girls who are abused, most of the time in their homes. And we're going to build Haven of Hope. It has started. So this will be a true haven, but I'll tell you, the abuse goes on whether we have a team there or not. So this place with 8-foot security walls and razor wires and a nice place for them to live for 12 to 24 girls, this place will also contain a large garden. So we've been in contact with a company in South Africa that creates a product called garden tubes. These are long greenhouse type structures that allow more productivity. And the girls then would have a place to garden. All kinds of benefits.
Yes. There'll be fruit trees, all kinds of vegetables that they can sell, they can eat, and also they can work out there and do work therapy.
So one of those opportunities, one of the big rocks, is Haven of Hope Garden. So those are a couple of ideas, no pressure. Many of you have already contributed over the years. But
we thank you for that.
Absolutely, mm-hmm. and God is doing great things there. The people there are excited about Haven of Hope, and maybe we can redeem this COVID-19 disaster in a small way. So I'm sure Barbie will let you know how to let her know what your desires are. But we'll be praying for you. We'll be praying for the continued work in Eswatini. One of these days, we'd like for you to replan to come and be a part of it in person. Thank you very much. God bless you.